Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever come across legal terms in contracts, news reports, or everyday conversations and felt confused, don't worry. We're here to break them down in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover legal terms in English for everyday use. These are words and phrases you'll encounter in daily life, whether you're signing a document, reading the news, or dealing with legal matters. Let's get started. First, we have contract. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. You might sign a contract when starting a new job, renting a house, or making a big purchase. If someone fails to follow the contract, it's called a breach of contract. Next, we have fine. A fine is a penalty, usually money, that you must pay for breaking a rule or law. For example, if you drive too fast, you might receive a speeding fine. Another common term is warranty. This is a legal promise that a product will work properly for a certain period. If it doesn't, you may be able to get a repair or replacement for free. Let's talk about lawsuit. A lawsuit happens when one person or a company takes another to court to settle a dispute. The person who files the case is the plaintiff, and the person being sued is the defendant. You might also hear the word liability. This means legal responsibility. For example, if a company sells a defective product that harms someone, they may have legal liability and be required to pay compensation. Another useful term is notary public. A notary is an official who verifies signatures on important documents to make them legally valid. You may need a notary public when signing contracts or legal agreements. Let's not forget settlement. A settlement is when two sides in a legal dispute agree on a solution without going to court. Many lawsuits end in settlements to avoid long and expensive trials. Finally, let's cover testament or will. A will is a legal document that explains how a person's belongings should be distributed after their death. It ensures that their wishes are followed. By learning these legal terms, you'll be better prepared to understand legal documents, follow the news, and handle everyday legal situations with confidence. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.